Let's solve this problem. If you'd like, you can click the pause button and try to solve this problem yourself before you watch the video. ABCD is a trapezoid. Let's prolong sides AD and BC till they meet at point E. Since CD is parallel to AB and CD is equal to half of AB, CD is the midpoint of the triangle AEB. Therefore, AD is equal to DE and BC is equal to CE. Triangle AEB is an isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AE. AC is a median, and since triangle AEB is an isosceles triangle, AC is also an altitude. The area of a triangle is equal to half of the product of its base and altitude. The area of the triangle AEB is equal to half the product of BE and AC, and since BE is equal to 2B, the area of the triangle AEB is equal to the product of A and B. Triangles DEC and AEB are similar because two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Angles EDC and EAB are congruent, and also angles ECD and EBA are congruent. Since CD over AB is equal to 1 over 2, the area of the triangle DEC over the area of the triangle AEB is equal to 1 over 4. We can find the area of the triangle DEC, which is equal to AB over 4. Therefore, the area of the trapezoid ABC is equal to 3AB over 4. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.